iApartments makes touring your future home effortless and flexible. Self-guided tours empower prospective residents to explore at their own pace, while delivering powerful insights and qualified leads to your leasing team. Today's renters want freedom and flexibility, and leasing offices can't always be everywhere at once, but that shouldn't mean missed opportunities. With iApartments, prospects can tour when it works for them, without needing to coordinate schedules. Scheduling is simple. Prospects book a tour online or by scanning a QR code on site. Your team controls which units are available and sets the tour hours. Renters provide basic info like contact details, move-in date, and lease preferences. A quick text message verification secures the process. Next, identity is verified using a browser-based tool. Prospects snap a photo of their government-issued ID, then take a live selfie. Our system ensures the ID is real and that the person matches. Once verified, access is granted for the scheduled time. The tour begins with one tap. Prospects can unlock buildings, elevators, and gates. No app, no fobs, no hassle. Our curated wayfinding guides them through the amenities and shared spaces, delivering a walkthrough that mirrors an in-person experience. Arriving at the unit, guests enter with a temporary code. No need for lockboxes or leasing agents. They can imagine life in their new space, exploring every detail. While prospects explore, your agents focus on resident care. At the end of the tour, prospects are prompted with tailored follow-up questions and a call to action to apply immediately. iApartments even adapts for student housing, addressing suite style and roommate setups with ease. iApartments syncs tour data with your CRM, including contact information, preferred move-in date, tailored feedback, and desired lease term, all teed up for you to follow up and close the lease. We don't just hand off the tech, we walk with you every step of the way. Our white glove service means hands-on support from our client success managers, who go the extra mile to set your team up for success. From configuring step-by-step wayfinding, personalized dashboard training, and tailored self-guided tour settings to fit your community's unique needs, our team ensures your self-guided tours run smoothly from day one. iApartments. Everything just works.